Hello, everyone. You are working alone in a huge library. A customer comes in and asks for a book. You find it and hand it over. They read only one page, move their bookmark, and return it immediately. Soon after, they ask for the same book again. This repeats again and again, millions of times per second. This is the relentless reality of stateful network applications on traditional computer architectures. In this analogy, a book with a bookmark represents state. Each request requires retrieving the current state, modifying it, and storing it again. Firewalls, VPNs, and intrusion detection systems all track connections by constantly retrieving, modifying, and returning state, book, stored in external memory, the library. However, traditional CPUs struggle with this process. Memory access is slow, creating bottlenecks as traffic builds up. Even high-end CPUs are bound by memory latency while waiting for data. At millions of state lookups per second, this becomes critical. For NRANs, ISPs, and cybersecurity infrastructures, real-time processing is essential. A slow system isn't just inconvenient, it's also a security risk. That's where FPGA acceleration shines. Unlike CPUs, which process one state at a time, an FPGA handles thousands simultaneously. While one state is being loaded from the memory, the FPGA continues working on the others, like a chef preparing the next meal's ingredients, while current dishes cook. FPGAs also have their own fast internal memory, storing frequently accessed states directly on the chip. Think of it as having a second librarian who keeps popular books at their desk, storing frequently accessed states to dramatically accelerate applications. The second librarian hands over those popular books instantly instead of having to search through the vast shelves every time. What makes this even more powerful is flexibility. An FPGA can accelerate any application, whether a firewall, VPN, or intrusion detection system. Smart applications can even hint which states won't be needed soon, allowing the FPGA to focus its memory on what matters the most. Remember the once weary librarian crushed by backlogs of state lookups? FPGA acceleration equips him with fast memory built right in, thousands of parallel processing lanes, and insider tips on which volumes to cache, transforming him into an agile maestro, orchestrating requests with ballet-like precision. For research networks, ISPs, and cybersecurity, this is rocket fuel. Warp speed frame processing, real-time intrusion detection, and layer 7 firewalls slicing through traffic, all with minimal latency, maximum throughput, and maximum flexibility. That's everything from me. If you wish to know more, you can contact me. Thank you.